what will be a lightning presentation, keeping it short. PRAM, Postgraduate Research Administration Module Project. It's a sibling project really to Cumulus, very close in terms of sort of the type of work we're undertaking. We too are working with Unit4, but in our case we're looking at disaggregating functionality that exists within the larger student management offering they have as a system, and breaking it out into a freestanding independent module which we use for the management of research, postgraduate research students. From our point of view and our sort of research in this area, it's not a very well catered for piece of functionality within universities. It's a bit hodgepodge. As goes for commercial offerings, there's nothing really out there you can go and get unless you go and buy a full suite from one single supplier, and then buried somewhere, usually alongside dealing with research awards, etc., there is some element of management of postgraduate students. They tend to be shoehorned in with other students, taught students, undergraduate students, and not fully adequately catered for. In order to take this forward, we're working with Oxford University. Victoria's here from Oxford, and between us we're undertaking analysis on both of our universities to identify our processes and our sets requirements, so we're very clear about the scope of what the module should be doing, and take the opportunity not just to take the functionality that's there, but expand it so it's actually fit for purpose for ourselves and potentially for anyone else who wants to take that offering up. As well as building a freestanding module, out of this we're looking to deploy open standards. So one of the aspects we're looking to create is some form of open standard like Xcree, but for the exchange of postgraduate student information. So it can be used internally or externally to actually exchange that with other institutions. As well as doing that, obviously we'll produce the case study that DISC has asked for, and also internally we'll produce guidance for ourselves of how this works. One of the benefits that comes out of this, not only for ourselves but for the community at large, is obviously there'll be a wider commercial offering from Unit4, but also they've agreed to provide that to anyone who wants to explore it and exploit it at preferential rates, I've been assured. So that's the headlines of the project. Any questions?